Hello guys, it's Dayo here again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cartoonize your picture, or if that's the word, if you want to cartoon your picture, I'm going to be showing you how to cartoon your picture. So here's an easy way to do that. So there's this app that I'm going to be recommending you to download first, then I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular app in the description section. So if you are interested, you can just tap on the link and download it straight up. So I already have it on my device, so there's no need of downloading it. So we're just going to tap on ToonMe app. So when you tap on it, it's going to open the interface of the app. So this is what you're going to be seeing. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be going to the first option, which is ToonMe. Then you're going to be tabbing on choose photo. So after you've tabbed on this choose photo, it's going to display your gallery. Then you just tap on gallery. It's going to refer you to your main gallery to select the picture you want to use. So I'm going to be selecting my picture, but I'm going to be using my AI picture to run this to run this app. I'm trying to look for my AI picture. So you can use your real picture, you can use, but I'm going to be using my AI picture for example. So I'm going to be using this picture to generate my cartoon. Just tap on the arrow, so it's going to start loading. So just wait for a few minutes. It will show you the result. So what you're going to be doing now is to select the hair color that you want. So I'm going to be selecting black, then I'm going to be selecting the third hairstyle, then proceed. So the AI is analyzing my face, is trying to see how he can create a cartoon version of me. So you can see, although the results are not accurate, but it's going to show you some generated AI pictures, AI cartoon pictures. So if you're interested, you can click on download to download it. But if you think it hasn't captured your likeness, you can press on another go. So it's going to generate another one as well, like with the same clothes but a different posture and a different face. So you can keep on trying again, you can go keep on trying again multiple times. You can see if you think this one resembles you, then you click on download. So but if you want it to generate another different type of cartoon, you can just swipe. So when you swipe, it's going to generate another different um, cartoon entirely. So you can see it has generated another different cartoon entirely. So if you're interested, you can tap on download. Then if you're not interested, you can swipe to generate more. So this is how you keep on doing this. This is how you keep on generating your cartoon pictures. So if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to answer. See you in my next video. Peace.